In my view, these are the 4 all-purpose pliers you really need. They're versatile enough to be useful in just about any situation, whether you're a homeowner, a student, into arts and crafts, or just someone who appreciates having a solid set of tools. If, after watching this video, you think you can come up with a better combination, feel free to share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. First up is the Knipex Pliers wrench. Think of these as an upgrade to the traditional adjustable wrench. They're designed to work on flat surfaces, but they're surprisingly versatile. Here are some practical ways to use them. When you need to tighten a locking lever or a knob but can't get a good enough grip, these pliers are a lifesaver, especially on items with a knurled surface. And of course, if there's a nut or a bolt you need to tighten or loosen, these pliers are perfect for that. The pliers wrench has a non-slip joint, unlike other pliers that have a tongue and groove release that can slip and be frustrating. This design keeps everything in place. To adjust the jaw size, you press this button here, ensuring a smooth, controlled action. Another unique feature is that these pliers don't really rely on how hard you squeeze the handle. Let me show you. So once I put these on a nut and tighten the handle, I can just let go and quit squeezing, and the pliers will stay locked on and work, which is great if you don't have the best grip strength. Knipex offers several sizes, but I usually stick to the 1.5 inch range. That means that the jaws will open to about 1.5 inches. They also come in different grip options. This is the comfort grip, but they also have more affordable models with a standard plastic coating. The multi-component grip is definitely a luxury, but it's a nice touch if you're using the pliers a lot. The chrome-plated finish gives them a sleek look and added durability, and the smooth jaws won't mar your work surface. These pliers typically range from $55 to $80. The pair I have cost me $72. Up next is the Knipex Cobras. The Knipex Cobras might look similar to the Knipex Pliers wrench, but they have a few key differences. Like the pliers wrench, the Cobras have adjustable jaws, but they also feature teeth designed to grip irregularly shaped objects or smooth surfaced objects. I find them especially useful for anything pipe-shaped, for example, or other items that need a strong, secure grip. The pair I have here can open to about 1.5 inches, and Knipex offers the same range of sizes as the pliers wrench. These Cobras have a gray atramentized finish, which essentially is just a coating that prevents rust and adds extra durability. The Knipex Cobras range from $30 to $55, and the ones I have here cost me around $40. Up next is the Knipex Needle Nose Pliers. The Knipex Needle Nose Pliers have long, tapered jaws with a built-in wire cutter, making them perfect for more delicate tasks or when you need to grip smaller objects. They're also great for reaching things from an upward angle where you don't have good side clearance. For example, I use them to remove these lids that fit perfectly in my sink and create a suction seal, preventing the water from draining. Knipex offers these pliers in various lengths, including really long versions and ones with angled tips for even more precision. I picked these up for about $32. Lastly, we have the Gador combination pliers. These Gador combination pliers have wider, longer jaws compared to the Knipex models we've looked at so far. These jaws are angled at 60 degrees instead of the usual 90 degrees. What I love about these is how comfortable they are to use. With regular pliers, you often end up twisting your wrist or angling your elbow to get the right grip, but with these, my wrist stays in a more neutral position, which feels a lot more natural. I use these a lot when I need to grab something longer or when I'm working with my Dremel for extended periods of time and don't want to risk injuring my fingers. They're also fantastic for general gripping tasks. One end of the jaws has teeth for a solid grip, while the other end has a wire cutter for added versatility. These have a matte chrome finish, which looks great. These pliers cost me around $45. Overall, these 4 pliers from Knipex and Gador provide a versatile toolkit for a range of tasks, from general gripping and tightening to more delicate work. While prices vary, each one is a solid investment in durability and functionality. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.